Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to insert SIM into your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So for this, you're going to need this opening tool from the box. The SIM reader is on the left hand side. So just insert the tool here. Pull out the SIM tray. This would be SIM 1, this would be SIM 2. So depending on your which one you want to be your main SIM card, is the way you will insert them. Just press gently. If it catches somewhere and it doesn't go in easy, then you should stop and pull out the SIM tray again and check if the SIM cards sit in place properly. But otherwise, it should go in nice and easy. There we go. Picked up both my SIM cards. One of them is not registered to the network, but there we are. One has picked up the O2 signal, the other one is not picking up signal as it's not registered, but they both working. To remove it, again, just fold your phone back in. It's gonna be a lot easier. Just push to release the SIM tray. Pull the SIM tray out. Remove the SIM card and place it straight in. Again, it should go in nice and easy. Be careful, don't push too hard if something catches, as you could end up damaging your SIM reader, and you don't want that. This is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.